Welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we will move to discuss about how can we easily write 1 to 10 tables. 1 to 10 table trick. How can we easily write without seeing any book, mobile, this type. Okay, how can we write easily? Okay, first consider 1 1 is a table. Already we all are know that 1 1 is a table. 1 1 is 1 1 2 is 3 1 3 is 3 1 4 is 6 okay. Row as well as column, write it after. See, consider these two. 2 2s are what? 4. Write in this table. After add these two, we write this table. Okay, 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. 12 plus 2 is what? 14. 14 plus 2 is what? 16. 16 plus 2 is what? 18. 18 plus 2 is what? 20. Okay, we write this type. After we write this type. Okay, 3 into 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 plus 3 is what? 30. Okay. After 4 into 2 what? 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. Consider this row. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. See, after consider this one. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. 54 plus is what? 60. Okay. Next we consider this row. 7 to the what? 14. 14 plus 7 is what? 21. 21 plus 7 is what? 28. 28 plus 7 is what? 35. 35 plus 7 is what? 42. 42 plus 7 is what? 49. 49 plus 7 is what? 56. 56 plus 7 is what? 63. 63 plus 7 is what? 70. Next consider next row. 8 to the what? 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 8 is what? 48. 48 plus 8 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. Consider this row. 9 2s are what? 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 plus 9 is 54. 54 plus 9 is 63. 63 plus 9 is 72. 72 plus 9 is 81. 81 plus 9 is what? 90. Consider 10th one. 10th. 2s are what? 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. 90 plus 10 is what? 100. This time we easily write 1 to 10 table. Okay? Understood?